29 forecast.
Well, tonight is January's full moon. It's also known as the Wolf Moon. It's the first full moon of this year, and there's a shot captured by Kenneth Johnston at Afton as the moon was rising. And how about a close-up from Warren Fault and a plane nearby? That made for a nice capture. Thank you, Warren. Let's take a look at our numbers, but before we do that, let's go back in history. On this date, January 6th, 1996, it was just beginning what would be dubbed the blizzard of 1996. Many locations had 2 feet of snow or more. Up on Skyline Drive near Big Meadows, about 47 inches of snow. It was quite the storm here in the Mid-Atlantic. Nothing like that today, even though we were much cooler after a week of spring-like temperatures. 46 currently at the airport, made it up into the low 50s this afternoon. We've got some broken cloud cover that'll likely continue here tonight. 37 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, made it up into the mid-40s for a high today. We've got 42 in Madison, 44 there in Palmyra, already 39 in Waynesboro, 40 currently in Lovingston. So some spillover clouds will continue across our skies here tonight, and farther to the west there's actually some snow showers that are ongoing, especially the higher terrain out across the Alleghenies. Temperatures here overnight then in the upper 20s and low 30s. Tomorrow is another cool day. Temperatures primarily in the upper 40s to the west, some low 50s here across central Virginia. And while we're dry here for Saturday, things will change on Sunday. It will be a colder day, upper 30s to low 40s. Looks like the morning hours will be dry, then some chilly rain showers work in, and yeah, there will likely be some type of mix, maybe some sleet, some snow, especially the farther west you go. But again, kind of a raw day here Sunday afternoon and evening. Doesn't look to be a major system, but again, could cause some slippery conditions. Just something to be mindful of, especially as we go deeper into Sunday evening. Things are quiet now for us. We're still kind of under the influence of this big area of low pressure that's moving off the New England coast here tonight. Of course, we've been watching the big storm out west, and they're still dealing with more that's upstream that'll begin to impact those areas. Some energy that's moving out of the Rockies and across the southern plain states. You can see a little bit of moisture here down across Arkansas. This will organize into an area of low pressure and lift up toward the north and west of the Ohio Valley. That pays us our visit on Sunday with some chilly rain showers and maybe a little bit of a mix. But the coldest air is not hitting us. We're just getting the cool down, if you will. And so as we look at tomorrow morning, we'll start in the 20s and 30s, and then we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies by afternoon, upper 40s and low 50s. And then Sunday morning we'll start in the 20s. We'll quickly cloud up, but the morning hours should be dry. And then we turn our attention to the afternoon and evening. Most of this should be a chilly rain, but there will be areas that will likely see some sleet or some wet snow and then go over to all rain, taking us into late Sunday night, and then it tapers off early Monday morning. We'll likely see at least maybe a winter weather advisory, especially for the Blue Ridge and points west. Tonight, partly cloudy, cold, upper 20s and low 30s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son's 7-day forecast, watching that chilly rain and mix here later Sunday afternoon and evening. We clear out on Monday. Temperatures jump back in the 50s for much of next week, Casey.
All right, sounds pretty good. Thank you so much, Eric.